Welcome. In front of me is a Meizu M6T, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your phone storage to the SD card or vice versa. I'm gonna start off by capturing some photos just so I have something to transfer. Give me a second. There we go. 3 should be good enough. So to get started, let's go into the Tools folder right here and open up Files. And in here we should see our storages. As you can see there, we have 2 storages, SD card and our internal, but it looks like we need to navigate somehow differently to actually access them. So there we go. All files seems to allow us to go there. As you can see, it's right over here. And from here, this will be the main storage, I believe, right? Yep, so the main storage right here is basically the phone, and if you tap on the SD card, it will take you to SD card where you'll have only several folders. So find whatever your files are. Quickly going over this, DCIM contains pictures, videos captured with the device. Downloads will have downloaded files, and then below that we should have pictures folder, which will contain screenshots. So those are primarily the 3 most important folders. Rest of them will usually be empty. So I'm gonna go into the DCIM and find that my photos aren't in here, so they must be on my SD card. And yep, there they are. As you can see, DCIM, there are the 3 photos that I have captured. Now once you find your files, what you want to do is select them, and you do so by simply holding one of the files. It becomes checked, and from there you can tap on additional files to select more. Once the files are selected, you have 2 options. You can either move it, or if you tap over here, you can copy it. Now if you go with the copy route, it will just create duplicates where you can move the duplicates to a new location, while move will completely remove those files from where they are right now and move them to a new location, which is what I'm gonna go with. Move. And now you want to navigate to a location where you want to move those files. So we are still on the SD card, which you can see right over here in the folder DCIM. So I'm gonna tap on the disk. This will move me to the main storage of the phone. And from here I can move it wherever I want on the phone itself. So I'm just gonna drop it right over here. And there we go. If I scroll down, there should be right at the bottom, as you can see. And that is basically how you move any kind of file on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.